Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and have swipe on Snapchat after the new update. So for the matter, what you're going to do, but before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes guys, before any delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you're going to do is, first of all, as it mentioned, it's a new update, and after the new update, right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Play Store. For the matter, go ahead, go to search bar, type in Snapchat, and you're going to search it up and simply going to check if your app is updated or not. If it shows update option, go ahead, update it, and once you're done, you can go ahead, open your Snapchat app. Afterwards, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go to your chat box section, and you can find all of your chats, right. What you're going to do is, here, if you would like to try that half swipe, it's a very easy way. What you can do is you can simply go ahead, tap on that person's profile, you can see it, right, and just like gonna slide it, tap slide. That way you will be able to find at the chats box, it's simply going to open of that person, so you can check out some chats if you would like to, and you can slide, put it back, like slide it back. That way you can do the half swipe. Again, go ahead, go to that person's profile, tap on it, and simply swipe to your right. Once done checking it out, swipe to your left. Done. So this is basically it, guys. If you have got more questions regarding any of the concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you so much. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.